Oh my gosh. Look at all the birds. Look at all of this. Unbelievable. Wow. And I'm just standing here. These are tons of birds. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Just beautiful. Okay, I'm a bird lover, so I love seeing stuff like this. It's the coolest thing. I'm not afraid of birds. I'm not afraid. I just don't like those big ones that swoop down at me. But this is amazing. Guys, excuse me, I have no makeup on. I just came out, I was getting ready for work this morning, and I seen these beautiful, beautiful creatures. And it's just so amazing. They're right there in my front yard. Beautiful. I hope you guys have a really nice day. Thanks for watching, guys. Living the Good Life 88, and be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.